The little street stall.
These stones look really pretty. I'm sure we'll sell a lot of them.
Our little store of precious stones.
But isn't a precious stone a jewel? Our stones aren't diamonds.
But now that we painted them, they're so pretty that they look like precious stones.
Yeah!
Wow! Oh, Charlie, how nice of you.
Wow, Charlie. They have to be smaller stones, and you have to paint them. Bring us a nicely painted little one, and we'll put it on the table.
Pretty stone! Charlie, do you want to help look for more stones to paint? Misha and the others are out searching for some. Pretty stones! Oh, that's beautiful, Charlie. How did you do it?
Oh, so you're selling painted stones. My heavens, this one is fabulous.
Do you like it? Charlie made it.
I just love it. I'll take it.
What are you doing? What are you looking for?
I can't find my necklace. I was sure I left it here.
What necklace?
That very pretty one from my great-grandmother with filigree painting on a stone. Do you remember it?
Was the necklace very valuable?
It sure was, but not for the money. That's not what matters. It's important because it's a memory for me of my great-grandmother.
Charlie! Mom can't find her great-grandma's necklace. You didn't happen to take the stone that was on it, did you? It was white and round with pretty blue filigree painted on it.
What a coincidence. We just sold one like that.
I can't believe it. You sold great-grandma's stone?
No, we sold the one that Charlie made. Right? No.
We've sold great-grandma's stone. What a disaster. Mom is looking all over the house for it. We'd better get it back soon or she'll be really upset. Who bought it? We have to find that person.
A woman?
What did she look like?
I don't know. Normal. A lady.
Where was she going? What did she say to you?
She said the stone was beautiful and she was going to give it to her aunt. That's all. Oh, wait. As she was leaving, she got a call on her phone and she said that she was on her way and would be at the exhibition in 5 minutes.
Exhibition? Hurry! To the museum! With luck, we'll still find her in there.
Hey, what's the rush? This is a museum, not a school playground.
I'm sorry, sir, but we're in a big hurry.
You don't visit a museum in a hurry. Come on now, take some deep breaths and just relax. Okay, that's better. And you have to take little steps and proceed slowly. If I see you running, I'll send you right out of the museum.
Misha, there's the lady in green. That's her. Run!
No, don't run. We're being watched. This is really hard.
They're getting away.
We'll never catch them. They're like ants.
Well done. So I'm sure you really enjoyed the museum, right?
Yes. But by any chance, did you hear what the 2 women who just left here were saying?
I think they were talking about going to buy flowers. Hey, there they go, running again.
Oh! What's the big hurry? Ah, this is heavenly.
Oh, sorry. Have 2 ladies come here to buy flowers? One of them was wearing a green jacket.
Well, yeah, they just left. They ordered a birthday bouquet for the auntie. The messenger is about to deliver it.
Let's go! Larry, catch up with him. If we find the birthday person, we'll find the stone.
The walkie-talkie.
Perfect. I won't lose sight of the bouquet of flowers, and I will keep you informed. The bouquet of flowers is about to be delivered. I'll move in to get a closer look at who answers the door. You won't believe who the auntie is.
Mrs. Poodle? You're the auntie?
What a treat that you're here. My niece baked me a delicious cake. Come in, come in.
Hi, guys. The mission was a complete success.
Larry told us the whole story. Here, now you can give this back to your mother. It's a very pretty stone.
Thanks a lot.
It really is a beautiful stone. Such a shame I can't keep it. It reminds me of the jewel that the Prince of Westphalia gave me after he retrieved the treasure from the Sunken Garden.
What a nice strong rock that little boy sold me.
Charlie, where are all the stones?
Everything sold.
You're the best salesman in the world. No one can walk away from anyone as adorable as you. Look, I got the stone back. Come on, let's go home and give it to Mom. Mom, we found your great-grandmother's necklace.
Oh, wonderful. Where was it?
It's a really long story.
You two are just the best. My great-grandmother would be very proud of you.